Today was none other than a good day. Ernest the engine car, Stevie the steam train, and Gale the guard's compartment was all at the shed. Jerk, said Stevie. What? Said Ernest. I know your little secret. It's Ernest. What? I think you lost me. Yeah, you kind of lost him actually, because you know he's like Stevie, or should I say Stevie. Gale, you wanna get the heck out of here. Okay. And with that, the whiny little bitch shunted off back to whiny little town, where clearly she belonged. Now as for you, Ernest, said Stevie, I'll have you know, I'm gonna ask you this question. Did you, or did you not, pick on other trains? Of course I haven't, said Ernest. Well then, said Stevie, I rest my case. And what happened to Gale? She winded off back to whiny little town, where clearly she came from. No one knows where the heck is whiny little town, because they thought they were only joking. And the two male engines, they sort of rested their cases. You know, Stevie, me and you, we rest our case. Yes, indeed.